Hi, my name is Erin Ross, and I adapted the book We're Going on a Picnic by Pat Hutchins. On every page, I retype the words and increase the spacing between the lines. My focus student, Miranda, does not have a large vocabulary, so I pasted corresponding pictures beneath nouns such as hen, goose, and duck. I also put board maker pictures beneath conceptual words, such as picked and some. I envision this book being used at the Teach Station, where Miranda's teacher works one-on-one with her using the Teach model. At the Teach Station, Miranda's teacher works with her on new skills. Once she masters the skills, she works on it independently. I foresee Miranda's teacher asking different factual questions and even changing the questions to interpretive questions once Miranda answers the factual questions correctly.
My focus student's name is Miranda. Miranda is a third grader with autism. She can read pre-prim or Dolch words. However, she has difficulty associating certain sounds with the corresponding letter. She does not know how to decode unknown words, so I place pictures of unknown words beneath the given words in the adapted book. She reads one word at a time, and while she reads and follows along with one finger, or she holds the instructor's pointer finger. When she comes across a word she does not know, she mumbles a word and continues reading. She often gets frustrated when corrected multiple times. Miranda is prompt dependent. She won't begin reading a book until she is told to, nor will she go pick out a book willingly. She waits until she is prompted, and when she is done, she will say, "Again?" If you say yes, she begins reading. If not, she waits for you to prompt her to tell her what to do next. Because Miranda is so prompt dependent, I know she will benefit from the visuals I put beneath the words. Instead of the paraprofessional or her teacher telling her what the word is, she can try to figure it out on her own first by looking at the visual.
An emergent reader refers to the period when students are learning the skills needed for independent reading. Miranda grasps print concepts. For instance, she knows to read from left to right, how to handle a book, and that there is meaning behind a written word. However, when it comes to phonological awareness, she does not understand that sounds form words. Miranda is still in the pre-alphabetic stage. She recognizes words as a whole rather than realizing that graphemes form phonemes. Miranda must master the skill before entering the partial alphabetic stage, where she would begin sounding out letters to form a word. I based my fill-in-the-blank sentences based off of Langer and Watson's recommendations of the 4 levels of reading comprehension questions. The first level are factual questions, which are drawn right from the book. They are also known as surface level questions. The second level are interpretive, which require the student to draw inferences. Applicative, the third level, asks students to relate to the text. The fourth level questions are transactive, which ask the students to take the perspective of the character or author. I decided to write fill-in-the-blank sentences to promote conversation. By writing fill-in-the-blank sentences, my goal is to start conversation and dialogue around the book, because eventually I want Miranda to be able to retell the story. If I asked a question, I envisioned Miranda answering the question, then turning the page immediately. I asked factual questions to make sure she understands the book at its surface level. As Miranda answers the questions correctly, I will replace the questions with interpretive, applicative, and transactive questions. Since Miranda tends to memorize questions and answer them based on rote memory, I will swap out questions as soon as I know that she can answer the questions correctly. I decided to put pictures beneath words that are unknown or are considered conceptual words because, according to Temple Grandin, spatial words such as over and under had no meaning for me until I had a visual image to fix in my memory. Even if an adult were to read a book aloud verbally, it does not mean the student understands it.
We're going on a picnic. Goose liked apples best, and Duck picked some pears because Duck liked pears best, and they put them in the basket. This looks like a nice place for a picnic, said Hen, and set the basket down. I can't wait to eat some of those berries. It's a bit shady, said Duck. Let's go up the hill. We might find an even nicer place. All right, said Hen, but it's your turn to carry the basket. It is too